Okay, we're waiting now for the arrival of the NWA World Heavyweight Champion Ric Flair. Flair will be competing. One fall, 10-minute time limit. A rare opportunity to see this man in action in a non-title event, and it is Ric Flair.
I always been considered the most fashionable athlete in the world today. So because I'm the world champion, and because I'm standing here with one of the greatest wrestlers alive today, Mr. Jesse Barr, I thought that I'd do something a little special for all the wrestling fans in the state of Florida, and that's wrestle on your program today. I feel sorry for this young gentleman because today I really feel like making an example of somebody. Gordon, you're looking as classy as ever, brother.
Well, thank you so very much. Ric Flair, the NWA World Heavyweight Champion, going toward the ring at this time. This match is, of course, one fall with a 10-minute time limit, and Flair, resplendent with the very, very costly robes that he wears to the ring.
Doesn't Ric Flair show class in everything he does? Have you ever seen a person with more class than Ric Flair?
That's the voice of Jesse Barr, of course, the former Florida heavyweight champion and a close personal friend of Mr. Flair's. Flair removing that robe, and of course you'll be able to get a...
They used to call me the greatest, and now they're redefining the word because just how great can one athlete be, huh?
I don't know if they can hear the... There's the $10,000 gold and diamond encrusted NWA World Heavyweight Championship belt.
There's the trophy that every man in professional wrestling dreams of having, but only few of us will be able to acquire.
You see, us is a rather all-inclusive phrase, Mr. Barr. Hip lock takedown, a quick head scissors by Jack Hart, but Flair breaks it, and Hart again goes for the head scissors. Flair away from it once again.
Look at the speed of the world champion here. Look at the fantastic speed of Ric Flair.
Good drop toe hold by Ric Flair, and he keeps the ride going as Hart tries to sit up and escape.
That ride all day long.
You know, it's very easy to see why Ric Flair is the world's heavyweight champion. He's always in control. Right here, Jack Hart was able to pull a reverse hold and come up with a hammerlock. But I would say, with knowing Ric Flair, this won't be for long. Ric Flair, of course, being the world heavyweight champion, the NWA champion, recognized throughout the world, the largest and oldest governing body of
Did you see that? He accused Ric Flair of pulling his hair. Now, that everybody knows that he didn't pull his hair.
Well, the champion...
That's quite an accusation to say that the world champion would pull your hair.
Well, Mr. Barr, there have been allegations made at knee driven to the midsection of Hart and top of the throat. Puts Hart back to the canvas, and Flair very much in control of the situation at this point in time.
Look at every move that he does is counted out for. He makes no unnecessary moves. Every move he makes means something to the match.
Series of forearms, and Flair somewhat upset with the referee. Hip toss by the world champion Ric Flair. And Hart fires to the midsection.
Look at that other guy throw a fit.
Flair now with a front chancery on Jack Hart, has him back to the canvas. Now underhooks the arm and hooks the far leg. Reverse Nelson. Let's see if he's going to try and exact a pinfall. Hart able to slip away from it.
Not completely away.
See Ric Flair just putting that pressure on this front chancery. This takes a lot out of the body. That's really twisting that neck. Putting a big crimp in that breathing.
Back to the side, headlock. Hart fires him off. Flair kicks him a good shoulder smash coming off the ropes. It's Flair charging in front with a high hip toss by Jack Hart. Hart goes in for a beautiful drop kick. And Flair hit the canvas, and Flair.
Hey.
up by Flair as he charged in, just a bit recklessly, perhaps.
Oh, did you see Dutch Mantel get all hot and worried when I talked about somebody that is much better than him coming in here as my friend with a bullwhip? Huh? He looked awful nervous to me. But he's going to have to pay for putting his hands on my face like he did.
Jack Hart back to the canvas once again, and Flair very definitely in control of the situation here.
Yeah, punish him a little more, Rick. Punish him a little more. Teach him.
And it's Hart with a forearm to the side of the jaw, but Flair retaliates. Hart retaliates, and Flair now firing through the midsection, a chop into the throat, another chop, and another. And Hart has got to be rocking and reeling here.
See, all done completely legal.
High vertical souffle by the NWA World Heavyweight Champion.
Now, that's it. He says, now we go to school. Now he's going to teach him exactly what wrestling is all about.
And it's Flair to the spinning toe hold, from the spinning toe hold into the Eddie Graham figure 4 leg lock.
He better give that up pretty quick before his leg is completely broken. That's it. Punish him, Rick.
That was a submission hold. The figure 4 leg lock submitted by Ric
Have you
Flair.
ever seen a tremendous athlete like Ric Flair work so good in a match? And that guy did absolutely not one counter against him. He had complete control of that match.
That's
and then
why.
he had to teach him his little lesson.
Guys like myself and the great Jesse Barr always rise above all the rest, because above anything else in the world today, we are men. Men know how to compete at a championship level. Woo, we don't do bad. We the ladies do the right thing, Jeff.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Daddy.
All right, I think that's enough, and we'll be back in just a moment.